Hi, it's Sari. I was going to talk today about the dangers of the DIY lash extensions at home. I went to Walmart and bought this kit here. Don't buy this. Well, I mean, you can buy it if you want, but anyway, this here, I'm going to put some pictures at the end so that you can see. And I put them on, about 3 weeks ago, and it took me an entire week to get them off. And they hurt. The glue in there is the strongest glue on God's earth. If your bumper falls off your car, it is definitely the thing to use. Anything, doesn't matter. That is stronger than Gorilla Glue, than that Flexi Seal, super glue. They all need to just step back because this stuff here it's just not going to break. It will hold anything, literally. You can put your air conditioner unit in a window and glue it around there. It's going to stay forever. I will show you what it did to my eyelids. But anyway, it says to remove with a simple eye makeup, lash remover. Yeah, not. Or oil. So I used every kind of oil. I was about ready to use WD-40, but I didn't know if there were toxic chemicals in it. But I did use even vegetable oil from the kitchen. I used olive oil. I used mineral oil. I used every kind of coconut oil. Didn't matter. The last couple of segments were not coming off of my eyelashes. And I did apply above my eyelashes, like it said. So now the other kind that I normally get, and I'll put the picture at the end too, are these little knotted ones. They're by Kiss as well. They're $6. And I put them underneath my waterline so that when you close your eye, there's no line there. And they last with hair glue. This is kind of hair glue here. It's like bonding hair glue. They will last you for approximately about a month. And the deal is, I'm a senior. Obviously, you can tell I'm a senior. So when you get older, your eyelashes get thinner and weaker, and they don't grow in as strong. I didn't really have so much of that as a problem, but I have a super watery eye. And all the makeup would just run off. Even waterproof makeup would run off because it would just run and run. It was irritated from whatever I was putting on it. These things here are great, and there's a lot of tutorials on YouTube on how to put them on. It's very simple. You just have to make sure that when you put them on that under part, that waterline, I know they call the bottom the waterline, but on the top part, as long as you don't get them too close to your eye and they're right where the hair, where your eyelashes would naturally be, right there, you won't even feel them, and they're great. So that solved the whole problem of having one eye fully made up and one eye with nothing on it and looking like I was the complete crazy bag lady. So anyway, I thought, wow, these are a little bit more. It's super cheap still, $11, and there's no little knot, and the lashes themselves were prettier than the kind I buy. So I thought I would do it, but it was absolutely the most terrifying thing. I thought I was going to have to go to the emergency room. I thought, well, should I maybe cut them off? And I thought, oh God, that's all I need to do is, like, cut my eyelid and go into the ER. They'll be like, who's this crazy old lady with the, oh, I was cutting off my false eyelashes. You know what I mean? So anyway, it was really horrible, and I would just suggest never using them. Now, they might work with this glue here, but because they are softer than the other Kiss and the ones with the knots, I don't know if this would hold it on. And the hair glue is rubbery. Now, Duo, the actual eyelash glue that people say, oh, it'll last 3 or 4 days. No, it doesn't. If you want to wash your face and really wash your face, it's not going to last. Duo lasts a day, and that's it. And I've even used, like, the Ardell. I've used every eyelash adhesive out there. This is the best. It's hair glue because it's rubbery and it's going to have some give, and it's not going to pull on your skin. When you're ready to take them off, a little bit of oil and they come right off. Just a little bit of coconut oil, rub along, the upper lash line. It gets down in there, and you just pull them right off and throw them away. So that's fantastic. But I just wanted to warn people because Walmart has got shelves and shelves of them, and I was drawn immediately to them. So, and the single band lash I don't use. That doesn't stay on. It's really too hard. You have to, I don't know, sometimes they're not large enough for my whole eye surface, and then if you get them like in one corner it'll lift, or it's too close in and it'll prick. So, and it's way too high maintenance for me. I get box hair dye. I was blonde until a few months ago, but that's even a pain in the butt anymore. My hair is naturally almost black. I wish it would go gray. I've got gray around the perimeter, but when it goes gray, then you can put any color you want, and you know, you're starting with a lighter base, but with dark hair, you have to lift. And I just don't look good with the really dark hair anymore. I'm too old. So, and I buy just cheap makeup. You know, I have basically a little blush on and some eyeliner and some I just use a little charcoal from the Dollar Tree and go across like that, right in that part right there. You know, I'm a senior. I'm not an Instagram model, nor would I have ever been. So, but I just, for a lot of us that are older and have issues with getting a good mascara that's going to really work, it can be an issue. And keeping a strip lash on can be an issue for people my age. So these are a really good alternative. I'm going to post some pictures at the end of what those lashes did to me in the 2 boxes and the glue that I do use. So I just wanted to let everybody know, don't get that unless you want to be in an ER or a police. But get the glue though. Get that glue if you want. If you really have like a project at home and Gorilla Glue's not working, or something that just won't stick, you know, and no matter what glue you try, it's not working, get that kit for that glue. When I pulled it out of the little pocket in, you know, the kit has like a little pocket. Oh, pour your glue in here. When I pulled that out, it was hard. I had to take a hammer. I still couldn't break it. It was like super hard. So that's some really awesome glue. Anyway, if you want a tutorial on how I put these on, which they just look like I have mascara. They're not great or anything, but it just looks like I have mascara. It doesn't look like they're real fake. You know what I mean? I did put, you can see, like, right? You can see, and you don't see the line on the top, so there's no band. And they stay on forever. And not forever, but I mean they stay on for a long time. So in the morning, you throw some lipstick on, a little blush if you want it, and just a little bit of eyeshadow and a little kohl liner on the bottom, and you can go. So it's super easy, and I just really like them, but I just want to warn people against that kit. And then I did have eyelash extensions one time, and they were gifted. It was a gift from someone. They gave me a card for them. They're like $200, and they didn't look that great. And there's fallout, and you have to get refills, and I couldn't wait to get rid of them. That's not an option for me either. Way too high maintenance. So thanks for indulging. If you like this video and want to see anything, leave it in the comment if you want me to do the lash tutorial or anything else, or want me to talk about anything else regarding seniors and makeup and craziness. Just let me know in the comments, and please subscribe if you're interested. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for the pictures. All right, take care. Bye.